personal for Klyde X. We've got a 2021 WWE Undisputed box. Good luck, Klyde. Thanks so much for your order. See if we can get you. Looking for 8 autographs and 2 relic cards. It's been a sweet product so far. Opened a couple boxes yesterday. Really cool looking cards for sure. Empty. Here we go. All right. Morrison, Sasha Banks. First auto up on card out of 199, a Chad Gabley from SmackDown. Got Cross and Tamina. T-Bar rookie. It looks like Harley Quinn. Alexa Bliss. We've got patch auto to 50 of Adam Cole. Adam Cole, and that is authentic matte relic. So cool. Authentic matte relic. 250. A Nakamura and a artist card of Rey Mysterio. Love the look of these. Kyle pulled one of these that were autoed last night. That was sick. Love the look of these cards. All right. And the case hit out of these is a gold framed auto. Looks like we have a couple artist cards in here. That's a sick one. Get it in the sleeve. Big E. So cool. Dawkins. We've got a green auto to 50 Grand Slam champions of Asuka. That is on card. Asuka. Taker auto. Let's try. Here's another nice one. Roman Reigns artist card. Nice. And rookie of Indy Hartwell. Commander Aziz, Charlotte Flair. We've got purple Booker T. Purple's out of 99 is Booker. Then auto out of 199, Candice LeRae. Candice LeRae. Nice. And a John Cena. Ooh, did I call that or what? Let's see what we got. I see a gold frame. We've got Ceresco. Put that down. Pull these two from the back. Knight rookie. And Dakota Kai. Let's see what we have here. Hey, out of 150, a Riddle. 31 of 150. Riddell. Little smiley face auto there. I think this is the same one I pulled out of the last case. There you go. Nice case hit there, Klyde. Magic hands. All right, nice first half there. We got 5 hits to go. Box so far. Oh, we got a redemption. A Bianca Belair roster autographs variation. There you go, Bianca Belair. Used to be a UFC fighter. Oh, that's pretty cool. Kane and Undertaker. Lashley. Another one there. Out of 99, a Elias authentic matte relic from WrestleMania. The Godfather and Ember Moon. Mace rookie. Ray Ripley. We've got purple out of 99. Mustafa Ali. On-card auto. Mustafa Ali. Nice one there. Liv Morgan and Pete Quinn. All right, Belair. We've got another artist card of Natalia. These cards are just so cool to me. Got purple, Mustafa Ali. Green /50 from Royal Rumble, a Becky Lynch and Asuka. 32 out of 50. Authentic matte relic. Cool one there. Nick, I am not the person to ask WWE questions to. I am not sure. If someone else in the chat knows, or any shippers, is Elias Mankind also? Anybody know?
Heard of that one.
No? Okay. I may have to go to Google. Jimmy Uso. All right, last pack here. Shows one weekend. Oh wow, 5 times. That's crazy. Ooh, I see a good color. Sheamus. Drew McIntyre. We've got gold /10. 3 of 10. A Dolph Ziggler. Nice, low numbered there, Clyde.
I love gold.
There you go. Gold on-card auto from SmackDown. So Mick Foley is Mankind, says Lost and Found. Oh, Foley. Not Foley. Nice one there. Then we've got Gargano and Kofi Kingston. All right, very nice box there, Clyde. Congrats on those hits. Thanks so much for hopping in, and we'll get this right out to you.